Hi everyone, this is Anandita Paulus, and today I'm back with the final part of the Chakra Healing 101 series. And if you haven't already checked the previous videos, I highly recommend that you watch them at the link right here. And in today's video, I talk about the seventh chakra, which is the Crown Chakra, also known as the Sahasrara in Sanskrit. The Crown Chakra, as the name suggests, is located at the crown of our head, and the color associated with the Crown Chakra is the color violet. I have, however, also seen certain books representing the Crown Chakra with the color white. So it could be a violet-white color for the Crown Chakra. The element associated with the Crown Chakra is the element of thought. And interestingly enough, the sound associated with the Crown Chakra is actually silence. There is no sound associated with the Crown Chakra. If you have been following my previous videos where I spoke about all the other chakras, from the root chakra through the third eye, you have noticed that each chakra has its own sound. A sound that when you chant that sound, it resonates with that particular energy center and it activates that energy center. In fact, in my last video, which was about the third eye chakra, I mentioned that the sound associated with the third eye chakra is the primordial sound of creation, the sound And the crown chakra is associated with silence. And the reason it is associated with silence is because the crown chakra is linked with all things divine. It is linked with our divinity. And all sounds arise out of the silence. Like all things, they arise out of nothingness. In fact, that is something that even has left scientists baffled, that how did things first start manifesting out of this vast nothingness that is our existence. Of course, they have come out with different theories, the Big Bang theory being one of them. But it has always been a widely accepted fact amongst yogis that everything exists out of nothing. And sounds exist because of the silence. Without the background of silence, there cannot be any sound. Just like without the dark background, without the darkness, there cannot be any light. There cannot be recognition of light without the darkness. So the crown chakra governs our head, the nervous system, and our brain. And the key characteristics associated with the crown chakra is seeing beauty in everything, seeing divinity in everything. It is associated with the feeling of oneness, the feeling of transcendence, or even unity consciousness, or Christ consciousness, or Krishna consciousness, that sometimes people refer to. That is associated with an active and open crown chakra. When the crown chakra is active, it brings feeling of joy, bliss, wisdom, serenity, and enlightenment. When the crown chakra is blocked or underactive, it could lead to mental fog, lack of inspiration, greed, feelings of separation, headaches, migraines, amongst many other symptoms. On the other hand, when this chakra is overactive, it can lead to lack of empathy, apathy, a sense of superiority, a sense of disconnect from the body and earthly matters. If you want to find out about the health of your crown chakra, I have created a very short little crown chakra test. The link is in the description below. You can take the test and find out how your crown chakra is doing. And as I have mentioned in my previous videos before, that the chakras are very dynamic in nature. They keep on changing based on where you are in life, based on what you are experiencing or going through in life. So it is always suggested to take this test every 5 to 6 months to stay proactive as to the health of your crown chakra. Because the energy centers, if they stay stuck for a long time, then this stuckness or the stagnant energy starts impacting your body, your mind, your emotions, and your life circumstances as well. So it is always a good idea to be on top of it and take action proactively. so as to make sure that your chakras are always balanced and vibrant. There are certain steps that you can take to balance this chakra. Of course, one of them is to wear more violet clothing or white colored clothing, using certain crystals which are violet in color, carrying a clear quartz or wearing a clear quartz is supposed to be very healing and balancing for the crown chakra as well. Apart from that, there are energy practices such as Reiki, meditation, pranayam, which can be done. If you haven't learned Reiki, meditation, or pranayam, there are also certain simple things that you could do, such as being in nature, maintaining silence, maybe taking out one day of the week to maintain silence, just to be in silence, to completely cut off from all other distractions. If you cannot take out one whole day, then maybe you could do 2 hours every day in the morning after you wake up to maintain silence. If you practice yoga, then there are certain yogasanas that you could be doing, such as the lotus pose, tree pose, supported headstand. These are some of the yoga poses that you could do that activates the crown chakra. Apart from that, in my book, The Healing Sutras, which is available on my website as well as on Amazon, I have an entire chapter dedicated to advanced chakra healing techniques that you can check out if this is something that you are really interested in. The link for the book you will find in the description below the video. And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share it with your friends and family, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.